Hello, it's Jennifer. Today I am doing one style 3 ways, and I have a lovely model, my niece, and she's going to help me out with my tutorial today. So I'm going to start with curling the hair. This always is great to do ahead of time for any style. It adds definition and texture and volume to the hair. But as you can see with my niece, she's got beautiful, thick, voluminous hair already. But it's always good to have a little wave or curl, especially for updos. I always like to use my fingers to comb through the hair and then curl it with the curling iron. Then I like to run my fingers through the hair, just break up those curls a little bit. And I'm going to start by taking a section from the top of the head at the back of the head, if that makes any sense. Take that section, smooth it out. Again, I just like to use my fingers. And we're going to do a braid and then add sections to turn that into a French braid. And I'm just doing this to the back of the head. I'm leaving this sides of the hair out. And we'll see later how I incorporate that into the hairstyle. So I like to do a 3-strand braid just a couple times, and then I add in sections. Add another section on the other side. And I like to do this just to about the middle of the ear. I don't want to go all the way down. I also like to hold the hair away from the head. I just find that this gives a more looser look to this style instead of having it close and tight against the head. Once I've added all my sections, I just like to again do a 3-strand braid without adding any sections. Then I secure it with a clear elastic. Then I'll go through the braid, loosen it up, take those little braid loops and pull them out like away from, and then also gently pull some hairs on the top of the head to give that great volume. Loosen up the sides a bit. Then I take the remaining side sections, smooth those out, and give it a little twist. And then secure it with a clear elastic. This is a beautiful half up style. Now for the next style, I like to take all of the remaining hair and put that into a loose, low ponytail. You can also do a side ponytail for this one. I just like to do the loose, low ponytail. Then I'll take a small section of hair, wrap that around the hair tie, and secure it with a bobby pin. Then I'll loosen up the braid and smooth down the sides, and then that look is complete. And for the final style, I like to take the remaining hair and we're going to braid all the way down to the ends of the hair. And my niece's hair is so thick and voluminous, it makes such a beautiful braid. Then just loosen up that braid a little bit. Again, you can do a side braid. If the hair is long enough, you can do what I do and just kind of put it over the shoulder. Otherwise, it looks great anyways. So there we go. We have 3 styles using a simple half braided technique. Definitely try it out. You can use hashtag BU10hair if you'd like to recreate the style, and definitely check out all the rest of my tutorials. Thank you for watching.